Ayyub alayhi salam.
Hey everyone! Today, I was at the library and I heard a beautiful story about patience in Islam. Do you know it?
Yes, Ayyub, peace be upon him. What happened to him?
Yes, this is a story. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, I'm so interested to hear it.
He was a great prophet, kind, rich, and very thankful to Allah. He had a big family, lots of land, and animals. Everyone respected him. But then, Allah decided to test his patience.
Test him? How?
First, he lost all his wealth. Then, his children passed away. And later, he became very sick, so sick that no one wanted to come near him. But his wife stayed and cared for him every day.
Oh no, that sounds so hard. Did he ever get angry or complain?
Never. That's what makes him so special. Even in all his pain, he said, Allah gave me health and happiness for many years. I will be patient now. He kept praying and thanking Allah.
And after many years, Allah told him to strike the ground with his foot. When he did, a spring of cool, clean water came out. He drank and washed, and guess what? He was cured. Allah gave him back his health, his family, and even more blessings than before.
So patience really brings reward.
Yes, the story of Ayyub teaches us that no matter what happens, we should never lose hope in Allah.
Hard times don't last forever. Allah always helps the patient ones.
What a beautiful story!
Next story, Yunus alayhi salam.